It came in a very cute package and was really easy to change out. The little toes are squishy. I love it. This keycap is so much more than I expected, very well made. It fits my Razer Huntsman Elite keyboard. The paw is super soft and squishy. The packaging is well designed as well. This truly is the cat's meow. It fits perfectly with my pink and white keyboard theme. It's soft and is super cute. Super cute packaging and great product. Thank you. Excuse the cat hair please. I got both the transparent and the black/pink paws. Yes, you can find these from China for less than $10, but it will take ages to arrive, and there is no way to return. I decided to fork over the money to have these within the week, and am not disappointed. I was worried about a few things. 1. That it wouldn't fit my Cherry MX style, read, imitation/off-brand/Chinese made, keyboard. 2. That the squishy feeling would be gross. 3. That the key height would be weird. 4. At first I thought it didn't, and the black one was a bit harder to get on, but it does fit. It's just very smooth, so it was hard to center correctly. Once it was lined up with the plus shape, I applied some pressure and it stuck on well. Hasn't come off since, but easy to remove. 2. The squish is so nice. It's not squishy like a squishy cat, it's more of a soft rubber. Does attract some cat hair, but not too bad. 3. I have the black/pink on the escape key and the height is pretty good. The rubber makes it seem a tad higher, but it's not out of place. The transparent one is noticeably higher, since my left, down, right keys are curved and tilted, but it hasn't thrown me off yet. I believe these are made to the R4, Top Rose, profile. 4. The light looks great. Some of the cat paw keycaps have complaints of location of their keyboard light blocking a portion of the paw light, so it only glows on the top or to a side etc., but I find that on my keyboard, the light permeates pretty evenly so it appears to be evenly lit. The packaging is cute. Box is cute, comes in a little plastic cat head case which is solid plastic, like really nice. Then carries a nice rubber base that it's tightly seated on. The black one came in a opaque solid shiny black cat head with black rubber inside, and the transparent one came in a clear cat head with a glow-in-the-dark rubber inside. They're so cute that I put the keys they replaced in them and leave the cat heads on my desk. Overall, they're pricey but totally cute, and functional. I prefer the ABS over the aluminum options that are out there and I have no complaints about these keys, although I wish they were cheaper so I could buy more. Click link in description for more reviews.